Hi, my name is Eric Becker. I'm the education director for Blind Barber, and these are my picks for best clippers to use at home. These are brands that I know and trust. They're also readily available, and I think that you'll recognize some of them as well. So the first up is the Wahl Color Pro. It is a cordless design clipper. It's literally color coded, so no matter what, it's super user intuitive, and it's great for the most novice beginner to learn how to cut their hair at home. And it's extremely inexpensive. Next up is the Wahl Self Cut. Its main feature to me is its brilliant ergonomic design. The way that you hold it in your hand to be able to cut your own hair from the back especially, no awkward angles, no hurt wrists. It's an easy way to cut your hair. Wahl has been an industry leader in clippers for years, and they took a look at how people were using a clipper at home, and they developed a clipper specifically for people cutting their hair themselves. Next up is the Andis Recon. It's a pro-grade barber quality tool that I will personally be using in the shop, but it's something that is user-friendly enough that you can also use it at home. This is a pro-grade price point tool, so a little bit more expensive, but the quality is there, and Andis is a name you can know and trust. This is a brand new device for Andis, just after a rebrand. Really sleek, great quality. Speaking of great quality and incredible design, the Bevel Pro. This clipper, hands down, is the most unique looking clipper I've ever used. It's got this amazing build quality and super great features. It has a digital lever design, so you can totally customize the exact length of the clipper that you want it to cut to. And it has an amazing design to the clipper head itself that it's super smooth, so it's great on even sensitive skin. Any hair types from fine to the tightest coils possible.